Hey friends, if the generic Bluetooth driver is missing on Windows 11, then here's the resolution. Type the name of the brand of your system and then type drivers. Hit enter. Go to its download center. Mine is an Asus computer, yours could be an HP, Dell, or anything, but we have to follow the same process. Type the model number of your system. Click on this option here. Wait till it loads. Go to drivers and tools. Wait till it loads now. Now you need to scroll down and find the Bluetooth drivers. Click on download corresponding to it. Click on open here. Click on OK. Click on next. I accept the agreement. Next, 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 and install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.